Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bluetooth speakerphone eMeet M2. In this case, it's a wide conference speaker for 5 until 8 people. It is a business conference phone, 360 degrees voice pickup. 4 AI microphone, self-adaptive conference call, speaker for Skype, webinar, and of course, your smartphone. 4 AI smart microphones array makes sure for field voice pickup. The professional conference speakerphone is equipped with 4 microphone arrays, which offers a long surround distance. This conference call speaker and microphone operates perfectly for meeting rooms, which accommodates 5 until 8 people. And don't forget the people inside this device via voice over IP, for example. Yeah, high quality audio. Smart light indication provides all interactive talk. That conference speakerphone is able to provide rich, crystal clear HD audio thanks to the VoiceIA Algorithm. The Acoustic Echo Canceller completely eliminates the echo and the noise isolating microphone, guaranteeing a high quality conference experience even in noisy outdoor areas. No matter you are working in an office or at home. Just make your call and enjoy lifelike communication. It is simple but powerful. No driver needed. Plug and play. The eMeet M2 Bluetooth conference speakerphone saves you time to debug devices. It can be easily connected to your Bluetooth supported mobile phone or tablet or to your PC, personal computer with USB or aux wire. The dynamic equalizer inside could automatically switch between voice and music modes and delivers the best sound quality and EQ depending on what the user is listening to. It has a really nice unique design on board, compact and portable. Yeah, it make it easy to put the eMeet M2 conference speakerphone into your pocket or wallet or other cases, like your bag. The aircraft grade aluminium material and cool interactive lights, as well as the upscale touch panel, make the product full of high tech and business feeling. It has a general compatibility all over. eMeet M2 is compatible with multiple devices and operation systems like Windows 7, 8 and 10 as well. And of course, Apple Mac OS. It has been tested and optimized for mainstream conference applications like Zoom, Skype, WebEx, GoToMeeting, Google Hangouts, FaceTime, and etc. So many more. This is because your device will pair with this device by using Bluetooth or other options, and then it is multi-function for it to use it then. The eMeet Bluetooth conference speakerphones is also personalized with digital assistant like Cortana, Siri and Google Now. And it is easy to install because it's plug and play. If you are using this device with your smartphone, as me here in this in this video. I'm using an Apple phone for it. The only thing I have to do is switch on Bluetooth on my phone, and then, of course, switch on the device. And then I'm able to connect to it by using the Bluetooth function. And after this, all my settings, all my my calls will go to my phone first, and then my phone is a host, and this phone will transport it into this device, and this device will get it out by using the microphone and of course the 360 microphone and microphones. There are four of them, and of course it will get the information into the smartphone, and the guys on my call will get it by using the other devices inside these Bluetooth speakerphones. Yeah, and sound nice. 4 AI smart mics, 360 degrees pickup. Hear the real you. And you can see if you are talking to the device, the LEDs will show where are you standing in your office, for example. And I like this glowing ring circle around this device because you can volume up and volume down by plus and minus, and then this round circle will show you how much the volume is up or down. And of course you can use your Cortana, you can use, for example, at me, it is Siri. You can use Siri with the EI button on the top side, and the left side button. This is like a moon circle. This will switch between the three options: Bluetooth and the wired connection, etc. If you push there, you can choose one of them. And on the right side, the phone icon is to answer phones, and at the bottom side it's a power button. Of course, it is touch device. In the center you have a mute button, and everything works easily. Make meetings simple. Smart light indication. Meet with 5 until 8 people in one room in one device. It is universal compatibility on board. Works with all most popular communications platforms like Skype, Google, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, and GoToMeeting, Chromebox, etc. And I will show you here in my video. It is a standard phone call. This is voice over IP, for example. But other services will get the information via Bluetooth inside your meeting too. Of course, it's no problem with it. It is universal. It is plug and play. And if you have a personal computer, your personal computer does not have a Bluetooth card inside, use a dongle, which is included. The dongle you have only switch into a USB port, and then you are able to connect on the fly with that the device. You can use USB, Bluetooth, or the aux cable, of course. And everything works easy. Voice is good, and the sound is good. And I will continue to use this thing. I like it. And you can choose other colors. It is possible to get it in gray, of course. I like gray too, and black. Black is nice, really nice, and white, as you can see. And to get the power inside this device, the only one you have to do is use a USB, the micro USB cable to USB, and get the power into it with your standard AC adapter. And inside there is a battery, a built-in battery, 12 hours playtime. This is a long range. And compatibility, compact design, of course. LED array. This is nice, I like it. And works with a variety of devices and UC platforms. It can connect via Bluetooth, USB, and aux. It is optimized for a number of UC platforms, including Skype, Google Hangouts, etc., Microsoft Links, Cisco, Avaya, and FaceTime too. Crystal clear sound with full duplex, thanks to VoiceIA audio algorithm, optimized to hear and be heard even in noisy workplaces. Acoustic Echo Canceller, noise reducing, and HD audio performance. This is the this is the VoiceIA system, and it is a good system, really nice, really nice. Meeting up to 8 people. Pickup range is 360 degrees and 33 feet. The speaker output is 3 watt, 85 decibel. This is enough. 4 AI microphone arrays. Onboard is Bluetooth, USB aux, and the battery capacity is 2500 milliampere accu. And it's, of course, it's great for music and style and work. This is the main feature. It is for your office, and it's nice at your office with this device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.